The Galaxy S23 family will be scoring a significant 36% increase in terms of overall performance, up to 48% improvement in graphics processing, and finally a humbling 60% gain in artificial intelligence tasks in comparison with the Galaxy S22 series. All of those improvements are courtesy of the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which will be used across all regions. Previously, Samsung heavily relied on its own line of Exynos chipsets, but this changes with the Galaxy S23 series given that the figures hold true. Samsung's decision to drop Exynos out of the lineup seems fully justified. No longer will Samsung users have to cope with the inferior chips that Samsung produced in-house, at least on flagships. Samsung will be using a slightly overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which will use a Prime Cortex X3 core running at 3.3 GHz, 2 Cortex A715 and 2 Cortex A710 performance cores ticking at 2.8 GHz, and finally 3 efficiency Cortex A510 cores clocked at 2.0 GHz. We have another live look at the camera of the S23 Ultra. And as I've said, it resembles the face of Watch 5 Pro, which honestly looks good. The Galaxy S23 will launch with Android 13 and One UI 5.1. Samsung will bring more lock screen customization options with One UI 5.1, such as customizing lock screen notifications and improvements to the system UI animations to make them more fluid. One UI 5 was already a big upgrade, so don't expect huge changes with 5.1. Also in the news, the entire S23 series will get a brand new front camera sensor coming at 12 megapixel resolution with the dual pixel technology. This new sensor, combined with a powerful processing algorithm, is going to improve photos with more clarity and better low light performance. This new processing also applies to the ultrawide as well as the zoom lenses, which means despite having the same hardware, we're gonna see better results compared to the previous generation. We have Ice Universe saying that the S23 Ultra will be the Night King, having capabilities that may be similar to night vision. He's not literally saying it will have a night vision camera, but more like, it's so much better at dark that the S23 Ultra can replace the night vision cameras for some people. He also said that it performs equal to or better than Vivo X90 Pro Plus, which has crazy good night photography capabilities. So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.